something new for the first time, to like really do research in the true sense of it, which is not like, you know, let's barely get soda at this thing, or like let's tweak this, but like let's go find the new paradigm, and the one after that, and the one after that. That is what motivates us, and I think the thing that is special about us as an org, besides the fact that we, you know, married product and research and all this other stuff together, is that we know how to run that kind of a culture that can go push back the frontier, and that's really hard. But we love it, and that's, you know, I think we only have to do that a few more times, and then we get to AGI.
Yeah, I'll say like the litmus test for me, coming from the outside, from, you know, sort of normal tech companies, of how critical research is to OpenAI, is that building product at OpenAI is fundamentally different than any other place that I have ever done it before. You know, normally you have some sense of your tech stack. You have some sense of what you have to work with, and what capabilities computers have, and then you're trying to build the best product, right? You're figuring out who your users are and what problems they have and how you can help solve those problems for them. There is that at OpenAI, but also the state of like what computers can do just evolves every 2 months, 3 months, and suddenly computers have a new capability that they've never had in the history of the world, and we're trying to figure out how to build a great product and expose that for developers and our APIs and so on. And you can't totally tell what's coming. It's coming through the mist a little bit at you and gradually taking shape. It's fundamentally different than any other company I've ever worked at. And I think
is that the thing that has most surprised you?
Yeah, and it's interesting how even internally we don't always have a sense. You have like, okay, I think this capability is coming, but is it going to be 90% accurate or 99% accurate in the next model? Because the difference really changes what kind of product you can build. And you know that you're going to get to 99, you don't quite know when, and figuring out how you put a roadmap together in that world is really interesting.